Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Nidishan Hormuz and back with another best video. In today's video I just want to talk about Sweetcoin, how to hack the Sweetcoin and how can you make more money on Sweetcoin. So basically I directly come back to the main topic, and right now I just want to click on the main important point. Like over here there's a one device which is the name is 360 degree adjustable car. So basically this is a device who rotate the mobile on 360 degree, and you can see if you look to the main device, you can see that over here the main device is not be flexible on the stand to rotate on 360 degree. They must be rotate their head on 360 degree. So basically if you want to buy this one app, so you simply buy this one app on $4.29, and after that you simply put your mobile on their main cap, and after that if you put your mobile on their main cap, just press the button and rotate your mobile on 360 degree, and the Sweetcoin will be directly and automatically count the main steps. Because there are some people who are never want to take a different steps or take a different more step for Sweetcoin. They don't have too much time because they are working on their main offices and as well as on others like job. But if you are not taking too much steps, so you simply buy this one device and put it your mobile on their main cap, and after that you simply start your rotation on your mobile. After that they will be directly automatically count down your main steps, and you will be on more and more Sweetcoin from this one project. Because you know about that if I am search about the Sweetcoin have too much potential, and right now you can see I'm just going to search about the Sweetcoin, and you can see also too much important detail about the Sweetcoin because they have too much potential. And if you want to get a complete detailed video about this one project, so I'll place the link in the description box. You simply click on that link, you'll be directly able to what I am doing in this one app and how can I make more money. So basically you can see it's pay to work, because they just want to working and they just want to steps. How much you step taken in a day, you will be on more and more Sweetcoin in a day. But here's also some important task for this. If you want to buy this one device, you will be not completely take a step for this one Sweet wallet. You simply place your mobile over here and make more money on this one app. And you can see how to spend, and here's also some important. You can see choose from 1000 seconds of the Fabulous branded goods and services. There's also marketplace. If you want to buy anything from this Sweetcoin a wallet app, so you will be also able to buy different things. So it is also too much important for us. And Sweetcoin is a free app for reward you daily step with a new generation currency. You can spend on cool product, donate to charity and convert into Sweet. Why? Because when you look after your health, you benefit society, you are more productive, you help save 100 billions in healthcare. Your movement has value, you deserve a share in it. So basically there's too much people who are trading on the Sweetcoin, and right now Sweetcoin is also listed on the too much flexible exchange. If you look to exchange, they are listed on KuCoin, and we can expect that in a year Sweetcoin must be touched almost up to $10. But right now if you want to buy this Sweetcoin, it is time to take the advantages, and it is the best opportunity of to take and get entry in this Sweetcoin, because right now it's completely free. After that you will be not find out this one project in some time, like in a year or 2 years. So this is some important detail about this one project. You simply buy this one device and put the mobile on their head, and after that start rotating their head. If they are start rotation, so after that you simply what you want in a day, this step will be count down automatically. So this is a complete detail about this one project, how can you hack the Sweetcoin. So thank you so much, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.